In just 7 weeks, I achieved a remarkable 32% profit. Let's dig in how. Chart number 1, console energy. In broader terms, the chart is an uptrend since it's forming higher bottoms. Let's take a closer look at this specific time period. Can you identify the pattern? Here is the rounding bottom pattern, and this is the neckline. Breakout is successful only when the weekly candle closes above the neckline. Volume bar is also high on the breakout candle compared to all previous weeks. What would the trade would look like? So your buy price would be somewhere around 80. Stop loss would be somewhere around 70. And how would you calculate the target price? Measure the depth of the bottom and add it above the neckline. So in real terms, the target would come somewhere around 100. Check what happened if you would have bought the trade in just 7 weeks. The profit jumped to 32%. In the same 7 weeks, the S&P 500 had the returns of just 4%. Comment down below if this is part of your portfolio. Let's uncover the strategies behind this impressive gain. Point number 1, the power of identifying chart pattern. Instead of just letting the money chill in the index, actively look out for opportunities that are forming substantial chart patterns. Point number 2, precise entry and exit points. Leverage the chart patterns with precise entry and exit points to maximize the profit potential. Point number 3, risk management. Beyond just chasing profits, effective risk management is the most important of all the strategic moves. Setting clear stop loss levels and protecting capital ensure that the trade is not just profitable but also sustainable. Let's check one more chart. Here is the rounding bottom pattern and this is the neckline. The breakout is successful only when the candle closes above the neckline. The volume bar is also high compared to all the previous weeks on the breakout candle. What does the trade look like? The buy candle is this, so the buy price would be somewhere around 50 and the stop loss would be somewhere around this line, which is about 40. How would you calculate the target? Pretty much simple. Calculate the depth of the bottom and add it to the breakout level. The target would be 77. Check what happened if you would have bought the trade in just about 14 weeks. The profit jumped to 55%. In the same 14 weeks, the S&P 500 had the returns of just 1%. Isn't it interesting? Now let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more of such stocks that are about to break out. If you're enjoying this chart trading, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy investing.